how much should you actually spend on a juicer for summer drinks? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Let's cut through the noise and find what really works when the heat hits and you need that fresh, cold juice fast.
Product number 1, Elite Gourmet Citrus Juicer. First up, the Elite Gourmet ETS623, a compact citrus juicer that caught my eye because it's not just another basic model. It runs on a 40-watt motor, which is stronger than most standard 25-watt citrus juicers, and it auto-reverses to squeeze every drop from oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. If you want fast, mess-free citrus juice without the hand strain, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 24-ounce capacity means you can make up to 3 cups at once, perfect for serving a couple people or prepping a big pitcher of lemonade. The built-in pour spout and pulp filter keep things tight, and cleanup is easy with top-rack dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, it's BPA-free and ETL listed, so you're not trading safety for convenience. Now, some people complained about the plastic components feeling a bit flimsy, especially around the base. Here's the thing though. For under $40 and with over 10,000 sold last month, it's built for light to moderate use, not daily heavy-duty juicing. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space, want quick citrus juice for cocktails or breakfast, and don't need to juice leafy greens or hard veggies. Skip this one if you're planning to make green juices or need something for daily high-volume use. For the price and performance, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. Now, if the Elite Gourmet's citrus-only design felt too limited, the Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer takes a completely different approach. It's built for serious juicing. This 150-watt masticating juicer handles everything from apples and carrots to kale and celery without clogging, thanks to its high-torque motor and reverse function. If you want nutrient-dense, pulp-controlled juice that lasts longer in the fridge, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cold press juicing at low speeds preserves more vitamins and enzymes, so your summer green juices or fruit blends stay fresh and potent. The 24-ounce juice jug and 36-ounce pulp container mean less frequent emptying, and the anti-drip lever lets you pour mid-juice without making a mess. Plus, all juice contact parts are dishwasher safe, a huge win after a long day. Now, some people complained it's louder than expected and takes up more counter space. Here's the thing though, for a cold press juicer with this power and capacity, the noise level is actually pretty reasonable, and the compact design still fits under most cabinets. This is perfect for you if you're serious about juicing, want versatility with fruits and veggies, and don't mind a slightly larger footprint. Skip this one if you only juice citrus or have very limited counter space. At this performance level, it's excellent value.
Product number 3, Black + Decker Citrus Juicer. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for simple, no-fuss citrus juicing, the Black + Decker CJ625. This pressure-activated juicer is one of the most straightforward designs out there, with adjustable pulp control and a 32-ounce capacity. If you want reliable, everyday orange juice with minimal effort, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto-reversing reamer helps extract more juice with less waste, and the large container means you can juice several oranges at once, great for families or meal prep. It's also lightweight, easy to store, and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The brand is known for durability, and this model lives up to that reputation for basic citrus needs. Now, some people complained the plastic build feels less premium, and it struggles with smaller fruits like limes unless trimmed. Here's the thing though, for under $30 and with 2,000 plus sold recently, it's designed for simplicity, not gourmet performance. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-nonsense juicer for oranges and grapefruits, especially in small kitchens or RVs. Skip this one if you need to juice limes frequently or want something that feels more heavy-duty. For the price, it's a smart buy.
Product number 4, Vinci Hands-Free Citrus Juicer. Now, if the Black & Decker's manual press felt a bit outdated, the Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer brings a modern twist. This one-button automated juicer does all the squeezing for you. Just place your fruit and press start. It handles lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits up to 4.5 inches and includes both low and high pulp filters. If you want convenience and consistency without touching the fruit, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The BPA-free Triton bowl holds 12 ounces, and the automated press ensures even pressure every time. No more uneven squeezing or sticky hands. It's also dishwasher safe and designed to minimize splatter, which is huge when you're making margaritas or lemon water daily. The build feels sturdy with stainless steel accents, and it's surprisingly quiet. Now, some people complained it's overpriced compared to manual juicers and can't handle very large grapefruits. Here's the thing though, for $120, you're paying for automation and ease, not just function. If you juice daily or have arthritis or hand fatigue, that convenience is worth it. This is perfect for you if you value hands-free operation, want restaurant-quality consistency, and don't mind the higher price. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only juice occasionally. It's a premium tool for a premium experience.
Product number 5, Elite Gourmet Mini Cold Press Juicer. Finally, if the Vinci's price tag made you pause, the Elite Gourmet EJX 600 Mini Cold Press Juicer offers a budget-friendly alternative for slow juicing. At just 3.25 inches wide, it's one of the smallest masticating juicers out there, perfect for tiny kitchens or single servings. It uses a 70 RPM slow press to extract juice with less foam and oxidation. If you want cold press juice without the bulk or cost, this is surprisingly effective. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compact size fits in dorm rooms, RVs, or under cabins, and the 16-ounce juice cup is ideal for one person. The small feed chute means less prep waste, and with only 3 removable parts, cleanup takes seconds. It also has overheat protection, so it won't burn out if you push it too long. Now, some people complained it's too small for families and struggles with large pieces of produce. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for batch juicing. It's designed for daily single servings, and at $35, it delivers where it counts. This is perfect for you if you live alone, have limited space, and want nutrient-rich juice without the investment. Skip this one if you need to juice for multiple people or prefer wide feed chutes. For its size and price, it's a steal.
So, which juicer wins for summer? The Elite Gourmet Citrus model is great for quick, affordable orange juice. The Ninja Never Clog is the powerhouse for serious juicers. The Black & Decker is simple and reliable. The Vinci is luxury with hands-free ease. And the Elite Gourmet Mini is perfect for small spaces. Pick based on your needs, not the hype.